I'm not so sure
True.
it will be fun.
Oh my god, I know.
But
But
maybe-
we actually good though, because then we know. I'll feel a lot happier after the splash.
We are the architects that collaborate with Katie on this project. We designed the shell, the exterior as well as the interior. And we followed it through from the beginning with Katie, from the first sketch till the completion now that we are seeing at the moment.
We started this collaboration 3 years ago, so it's been quite a long path together with Katie to make this work. And we started really from the beginning, really from the first thoughts of what are we going to do with this first idea of putting together thousands and thousands of species of wood. And the questions were how do we make this a visitable thing?
She first had the idea of actually a broad walk through the park, which we analyzed as well, and actually dismissed it for several reasons. One also being that the wood would be too exposed to the Bristol climate.
Shall we do like a tree house? Shall we do a path? It has to be something that on one side protects the wood, something surprising, something exciting, and something more intimate as an experience.
We worked a lot in the 3D in the 3D model, the computer model, to be able to handle, this kind of geometry which exists of tens of thousands of pieces.
This is quite interesting to us because in this collaboration, working with an artist, what is actually the architecture and what is actually the art, but this integration or collaboration makes it quite interesting. I mean, we could call it architecture because you can actually visit it and inhabit it, but on the other side, it doesn't have the typical things that normally we plan as architects. For example, if you do an architectural space, you would always think we have to have a certain amount of lux levels and all these things. But in this case, we thought we want it to be really as an experience of visiting a cave where your eyes have to adjust to the light levels and might not even be enough, but it becomes a more natural experience, no?
For me, it was very relieving to see that the interior works with the daylight, which was something that you could only simulate in the 3D model, but at the end, this is something that you only explore once you're on site. And it actually works, and we're all happy and relieved. And that's great to see.
It's actually really, really nice to see it coming reality after 3 years of working on this. It has gone beyond our expectations, I think. It has a really exciting moment when you get into it, and we were just talking about it has a little bit this cathedral effect of a space where it's almost like with nature, that sometimes you get really surprised and amazed by something that you can't really define what it is. It's a strange effect, but we're really excited and happy about it.